Some glue gel by She Modern. This will help make the nails sticky. And we need some stickiness for the glitter. I think this is going to help out tremendously with getting the glitter pieces to stick down flush. I'm going to cure this for 30. Like I said, we are using this little goodiness right here. This is Long Island iced tea. And we are going to use this deliciousness right here. Beautiful, beautiful mixes. So I've got some put out on my tray of this. Some on my tray of the Long Island iced tea. I'm going to be applying this mix here with my stamper from Beauty Big Bang. I think we've got Harley Murray back with us. I'm going to take my stamper in here, pick up some of the glitter, and start applying to the nail. There we go. I think I want to do it on the middle nail as well. Try to get as much stuck on there as I possibly can. At least plenty on the stamper though. And those have already been cured, so I know it's not going to stick there, but hey, it's worth a shot trying, you know? I think these are beautiful. So I'm going to take my wax picker-upper, try to place a few leaves here. I think these leaves are just beautiful. I really do. Really, really love them. Great for any fall mani. And there's these itty bitty little dots in here. Let's see if I can get them on the nail. There we go. There we go. We're going to get a better top coat. No Wipe Top Coat by P&D, Princess Nails by Diana. You're going to put this on all 5 digits. Seal these babies in. I'm probably going to put 2 coats of the top coat on. Just to seal these in real well. Put another coat on these. I'm going to pause because I'm going to cure these and we will be right back. Alright, we're back. We have top coated twice. Oh, we got a piece of glitter back here in her glove. Yep, Harley Marie is now sporting her glove. It is fall time. And the pink is for breast cancer awareness for this month of October. But our Manny, our fall Manny from the nail candy shop is finished. I think this turned out pretty darn cute myself. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. These leaves, it seems like I always get one corner on one leaf that will stick up. Never fails me. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my little cuteness here. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. And please click that bell. That way you get notified of all future videos that me and Harley Marie do. I upload 3 to 4 times a week depending on my schedule. Don't forget my docu-series on Monday. It's Learning Acrylics. She Modern Saturday on Saturday. The rest of the week is a toss-up. Crapshoot. But you can find reviews, nail art, all kinds of little goodies through the week. So don't forget to subscribe. Come back and see me and talk to me. Let me know what's going on in your neck of the woods. Here I'm from southeastern Michigan, and as fall is upon us, it is starting to get cold outside. The current temperatures are probably around 50 degrees. So yeah, that's what's going on here. Not much excitement, which is how I like it. But yeah, this is the end of our video. Thanks for coming and watching and taking part. Thank you for your support and your love.